What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is ASAS Studio. Today we're here in Photoshop and I'm going to be showing you how to use the solid color adjustment layer to act as your white balance. So let's dive right into it. Now, you don't know what white balance is. White balance adjusts your photo to the correct tone, to correct color, and it actually corrects the color of your photo, in which it can actually make the color, the photo looks like it is being shot in the morning or in the afternoon. It just balances the color of your photo. So instead of going to camera raw filter and doing all your white balance, I'm just going to show you a very fast way you can do that with solid color. Alright, so let's create the solid color adjustment layer, and then whatever color is showing on your own, don't worry about that. Click on OK and then turn it off. After turning it off, right click on it, and now you can choose any color you feel like it's actually supposed to be white. And you can see I just chose her eyes. I just chose the color of her eyes, so with the color picker, and then I'm going to increase this all the way up, so as I can go back and decrease it, but I'm increasing it all the way up. Now I'm turning it back on, and then we're going to go to the divide, and you can see how bright it is right now. Alright, it's not actually looking okay, but it can be adjusted with the exposure or brightness too. Let's use the brightness and contrast, and then we're going to decrease the brightness just a little bit, and then we are back to how the image looks. Now let's say you don't like the way the color balance, the color fill layer is. You can actually reset that. Let's go back normal, and then let's use our clothes for example. You see that it's actually the brighter part. I just used our clothes, and then you can take it all the way up and then click OK. Still the same result is going to fill. Turn it on and then change it to divide, and you can see that it still gives us the same result. Turn back this, turn it back on, and then you can increase the brightness just a little bit, and you see the difference. Alright, so whichever way you want to do it, it's actually going to give you the correct result. Alright, so this is how to use the solid color adjustment layer to quickly correct the color white balance of your photo. Alright, so thank you if you learn one or two things. Thank you for staying in touch. Thank you for supporting the channel. If you're new and you enjoy the things we post, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so see you in our next video. Once again, this is ASAS Studio, channel for music producers, photographers, cinematographers, and so much more that will be coming up on the channel. So see you in our next video.